Reure. Police demu ageire ku.
President. Ndaigua ni obukire Gathaiya ni Angola. Ikisa Angola. Wena kigomano kia mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ gĩkĩ kĩa Africa.
Yes.
Link na gĩtarũ kĩa Europe.
Alo ni akire gaturwa mwena ũyũ.
Ni gaturwa.
Yari. Kai mani wa East Africa no. Atine dashimie.
Agane dashimie. No ko gamathia rotation no.
Hali kaundu we ahetwo guku.
Goko East Africa.
Dali.
Dirona.
She has it. Chairman of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto.
Uguo kwa hinda rĩ nĩwe share.
Yes, East African community. Rũrĩ warĩ ho nĩ ndaici mie. Rĩu nĩwe.
Nĩ akĩbatie kũhamũrithagia andũ ta Kongo magoka gũkũ kwĩ maũndũ.
Yes.
Kana ithuĩ tũrĩaga kũmathiĩra.
And he was elected in November 2024. Yes.
Uguo gĩthiaga mwaka ũmwe. Uguo hakuhĩ gũcokia.
Yes. Okay. Ndio predecessor ni Salva Kiir Mayardit. Yes. Tũgĩthiĩ kana igua gũkũ nĩ tũrathana.
Kwa hinda rĩ no gĩikarĩire gĩtĩ.
Nĩwe gĩtĩnĩkĩire. Yes. Kwa hinda rĩ nĩwe wĩnakĩo. Nĩ ararĩ kwĩ Museveni.
Ira nĩ ararĩ kũrĩa Tororo Uganda.
That explains that kind of visit.
Yes. Ararĩ kũrĩa Tororo ira heke ganda mararugũraria gĩa nĩ gĩa steel.
Nĩ Museveni nake no arakĩenda another one term.
No, Museveni wants one more.
Araugire one more term. Koguo Museveni nĩ ũrenda kĩ? One term. No rĩu President Ruto arenda kĩ? Two term. You can watch it. Museveni is okay with one term. They just get me another one term so that I can finish the project that I already started for Uganda. Yes.
And
he had a very elegant suit. Tiria kumwa na kauda.
Egũkũroka nĩ ambĩte gũkahũmũka.
Nyakarũgamĩte. Yeah, he was a very elegant one.
Janizi nĩ mamwenyeririe nĩko akĩamba gũkahũmũka.
Na kokaragia, I don't know whether that is ivory. Yes. You see, Uganda is a free country. You cannot wear this in back home.
Here, Vijanas of Kenya do not give you peace.
And so they even plan your wardrobe. So how is the going generally? As we are fine, we are doing very okay. Uganda, our trading partners, we come here with a lot of respect. So that's okay. I understand you have by-elections. And I don't know why your by-elections have so much noise. Here we plan them in advance. And mostly I win. Most of my candidates take it home. You are struggling too much for small seats. You know our model of democracy, Muse, is not like Apa. Sisi tuko na sheria ingine. There is the way we follow our democratic processes. So that is where you go wrong. See, too much democracy is not right. Even at home, you give the children democracy, they beat you. So I heard your people from that mountain station is called which one?
Gani yo.
Unasema gani? The one that has the person who reads newspapers in the morning.
Gatonye.
Sasa kama ni Gathaiya hiyo ni kameme. I heard them saying that we can merge Uganda and Kenya. We can do that, but I have to be president. You can deputize. And from where I sit, deputies are not very relevant. You see, your deputy is very powerful. I understand now he's the one running around doing errands. They will overtake you.
He is saying he is fire.
Anasema ni noma si noma. Sasa when he's on the ground he has to say fire because basically that is his slogan. So people should not even know his identity. So it's a very risky business. You are taking too many risks. You might just find yourself having to impeach again.
Ayo kuma deputy ne mara heri wene.
And you see it's not good records to impeach twice
in one term.
Sasa usitaje hiyo. Sasa mimi umeanza kutaja maneno ambayo si nzuri. Hiyo sasa utaja hiyo tunapigwa sana na hiyo. No, I just said you cannot impeach twice in one term. Sasa badilisha hiyo maneno kabisa.
Na wewe utakao ukataka mke.
Ama uniambie nitoke. Nirudi nyumbani manake akufukuzae.
Okay, leave that one.
All right, I see you are very moody. So did you hear my remarks about the small issue of a little water? What are you talking about, Mzee? So I had a concern about a small chunk of your coastline. Sasa, you know, the territory of the Republic of Kenya is gazetted under international law and even our own laws. Sasa, tujue tutakusaidia aje mzee. You see, you can do it even undercover. You don't have to tell people. No, in our country we have to be open and transparent. We are guided by very serious laws. So, no, you people are you are president and they hold you hostage. Sasa mimi niliwaambia wewe ni mtu mzuri na tukasema ile pipeline tutaweka, tukasema tutakupanga mpaka mambo ya railway. Sasa ukichukua kitu inakuja mara. You see, I don't want dry run.
Anaenda sea front.
Sasa siwe nasikia walisema tu ulisema utaleta sijui vujo kidogo. No, that one was just you know, it was just kuwekelea. So we can't fight, we are brothers.
I wanted to catch your attention.
And I'm sure it didn't work. But you can look for your own ways. Get me Diani.
Quietly,
without even consulting what's the name of your professor?
Kindiki.
That one. Just don't go normal fire. Let us just have a territorial. Lakini siwe uko na lake, my friend. Sasa mzee. You see the lake is regional.
Anaenda sea front.
But you know, practically no ahuriru ginyako. Nigetha hayo. We actually have a very small coastline.
Tutire na wari ucio munene oguo.
Yes.
Tanganyika neo mena coastline ndaya.
Ni anyorero okuo.
Kana shumari.
Yes. Kwaje asu mai mati uthaira muno.
Shumari na no anyorero okuo ta.
Do they border Uganda?
Asha riu ningi ni
wewe na
technicality riu shumari ni kwa maraihiriria.
You see, if you get me the beach, I don't mind if you don't give me the land. As long as we have a small Uganda by the seashore.
No na ya sea front ri. Indo icio aregeragia ku.
Riu ria kugeria uku. Riu fatani ekiriere.
Airport yake. Can't happen.
You see, it should be in your legacy. You see? Sasa mzee hiyo mambo unaongea wewe gatu na ng'ombe yako. But I saw you are also starting to do a lot of farming. Now you are becoming presidential. Shishina kuna kuna tractor. So suddenly you are in with cows and gumboots. Yes. Now you are becoming presidential. I used to tell Uhuru these things.
No riu Uganda matindeka wega. President yakinya kuria ri.
Yes.
Agikaguga ngwarinde. Aramikaguire tiri-ini.
Naramuria sasa, my friend, your excellency Museveni. Sasa ninakuja kukagua kwa dili la heshima kwa mchanga. This is because we are down to earth.
Kanyanga dunia.
So Ugandans, we are down to earth.
Au batire kawega.
Anyways,
Kenya and Uganda.
Yes. Your biggest trading partner.
Kuria Tororo.
Yes.
Tororo twathoma niki twamithoma Tororo. Niki kianjagwo Tororo?
Ni bauk site kana ndu.
Kindu kianjagwo Tororo.
Muthoni niki Tororo mineral
na nderecira no kio kuragitwaro nginya Iganda icio cia guthondeka cuma.
Not taite nyama.
Kindu kianjagwo Tororo ni twamithomaga.
Mining ni Tororo. Ni twathomaga biu. It has to be something. I am not excited kanedo.
Kindu maga ni bara nyingi cia rami.
Minerals including iron ore, phosphorus.
Nikio basi.
And nicio icio.
Iron and ore.
Yes.
Cuma irokira hau.
Bauxite ti ya guku. Ndia. Cuma.
Nikio cuma iragukira kuo.
Yes. Gold ni ya kuria gwetwa Witwatersrand. South Africa. Yes. Yanya ne gold migori.
Na
Tafeta.
Na Kakamega kidogo.
Kakamega na Taita.
Ruguru ruu rungiururio wega rutingiaga thahabu.
Ruguru ruu rungiururio wega ri rutingiaga kanyamu. Yes.
Tungimiona na tondu muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda ri matuthiathire matweherere thahabu ri no tumahe kilomita 4.
Yes.
Cia seafront.
Not to money. Tondu rũgongo rwa Central Mineral. Na nigetha me tuthire mineral ri cioro eko ntukinyagia futi igana tutione ona kiri
no anga mai
ona oteri wa mburu that's what it's called. Central tukia mineral gwecia mwene nyaga ni acithikirio wega. Reure. Mbeere.
Ya North kana ya South?
No horo.
Ya North no erare.
The other one is relatively silent. Though I understand as South ire. Mararo ka North.
Ando abere South marauga kwa jirani gutingie kirio guku tumeroreire.
Yes.
Reke tukamateithie kuria.
South itha ici ni gwa kurarwo. No itindo neku.
Gitindo ni North.
Maraigua fire say fire.
Ndio hao wamekuja wewe kaunda.
Ndio hao wewe ni asude mokire. Haba no guikia mecuti.
Kijana South ile mathiete mbere ya North.
Maratinda kuo. Moci marathie South kwao.
Makarara.
Mwana wewe. Netoroke mathati mega.
Aigua kuria no githari.
Ndori urathi wabici. Wabici cia tha ici cie North.
South no uthie toro.
Yes. Rei menjane ni urenda kwambatira wonjoria-ini mbere North.
Indo iraitika ta mbura.
Kundu kuu bia cikurite ta nyeni. Ciraitika ta mbaa.
Kuratuika kundu kuu gutire gwaitwo mbeca.
Yes.
Ta iria citetwo kuo rita riri.
Circulation ire iko uri. No we ciene kuonetwo gold.
Kwaja noti ya ngiri kuu ihana mauti.
Gutakire mundu ataragibunjirwo bia. Rero ugethe cenji South.
Nothi no ngiri irairia gutu.
Ngiri guku tutinge kuonera cenji. Iyo no thire mbere South. Kundi ku gubunjirwa.
No thire kiritiri. Nikuo ngiona cenji.
Guku ngiri iraria naki?
Na ngiri.
Neri engi. And of course it's the battle of the Titans. Everyone wants to prove their might and political might.
No ere by election in kiumia giki.
Yes.
27th.
On the one hand, of course we have Kiana gia Simba backing up who?
Newton Karis wa kiama kia NDP.
Oyo wangito leo kuga Muthendeko.
He's a good lyricist.
He's a lyricist and he's trending. Yes.
So he's a man full of art in him.
Na ati yake tia ira ti wa kuiga.
Asa.
Yes. Hau na turaleterwe Muthende.
Ne kamure arwaru.
Kamure arwaru. Okay, I don't know exactly what those words mean, so I won't say them. But I will refer to the man because that is his name. Yes. Amwenoyo Girunake Modo Riawena onslaught. Yeah, the ruling party. Of course, he's the deputy president.
Yes.
Yes.
Professor himself is leading the ruling party's brigade.
Yes.
To drum up support for who the candidate.
Absolutely.
Who is Rio Muthende.
Yes. Muthende the fire, say fire. Sema Muthende. Na nikoshi kete kiadhu kete.
Niko Muthendeko.
Daragura guoya. Mimi nitakupeleka mbio.
My friend.
Mimi ni fire naitwa fire. Ewe. Takukimbiza. Takupeleka mbio wewe mtu wa mitego wewe. Mimi ni noma fire.
Limwe mundu lekora hado.
Yes.
No ginya nawe wiribaribe.
Takupeleka mbio faster. Mimi nilikuwa waziri wa interior, najua maneno mengi. Fire say fire. Muthende ni fire say fire. Mundu no. Mundu no. But let me tell you something. We don't know what outcome we are going. But equally, whoever wins or loses, unless you are the money, it's only manyaga.
Ne manyaga.
What you would do about Muthendeko?
Na Newton Karis.
Yes. Wanajulikana. Mwana mwembu. Yes. Na Muthendeko.
Uyo professor Kindiki ni aratire kiana gya Simba amwitire Goliath.
Goliath. Ndio ni malaika raho ine makiana. Tulienda vizuri leo. Leo tulienda sawa.
Weka hizo clip.
Hebu weka. Hapo tuligonga.
Lakini hapa baba.
Yes.
Unaona hii vaya. Tulisema unasema mara ngapi? 3.
Mara 3.
Unarudia mara 3.
Haya, wa Muthende ni fire. Say fire. Wa Muthende ni fire, say fire.
Weka ya mwisho sasa.
Wa Muthende ni fire, say fire.
Kambisa hiyo ni tiki.
Noma si noma.
Enoki jamaa kale na timu yake.
Haya, tafutia sasa huyu vile ya. Kijina kikubwa.
Huyu forma,
huyu vile ya.
Mbandika yeye kijina.
Mbandika mara moja. Tumuite nani? Muitanishe na wale watu kwa Biblia waligongwa.
Hii tae Goliath.
Sawa Goliath wewe. Na unajua tunatayarisha wakati IPC returning officer wa constituency wakati tatangaza wa Muthende aseme Muthende ameshinda, ujifundishe kawimbo kanasema yes kidole sambusa. Yes kidole sambusa. No masifaya. Yes kidole sambusa. Ke wanogwa.
Fire see fire.
Fire see fire. Noma si noma. Yes kidole sambusa. Ke wanogwa. Fire. Wa Muthende niliwaambia ni fire see fire.
Nango mwana ule ungekiadaga Simba na kialiona timu yake.
Arwajo no maraita ganye ni.
Reke mama mahoni ya do becha.
Wakau gathe. Ndio na tuterere. To mahudire becha mare. Kwara go matingi hara.
Acio ne me kiondo ine.
Oro maracho koha. Hau ha kwara ni thio tugitoka.
Reke mama marugangire wira.
Reke marugangire wira.
Na ithio twathi kuria ne kumaringa.
Ithio ndo ria narrative itu nemwe. Ria ithio no mururu.
Ne Karis.
No kuria ni ya thiri thoko ni uteri.
Gesa no gutiri gutira.
Uria ni uteri. Rĩu mũthimũkĩra andũ atia. Fire icio rĩ tũkamenya hĩ mũthenya wa gĩthurano. Icio fire rĩ akauga no magĩe homa.
Na niĩ ndarũgama ngari igũrũ. Mũndũ ũyũ no nginya ngamũringa.
Ũcio nĩ kũringa. Kũgũtha ti ũndũ ũngĩ. Mena William Ruto.
No nginya tũmere marathiĩ kĩ?
Ithuĩ tũraiguire gĩgweta ũrĩa mwana ũyũ arahĩtwo Gathaiya. Arahĩtwo thĩ nyũmũ. Na rĩera-inĩ. Na nĩ marabanga na wega tondũ ndia cia handũ mara clash. That is good.
You see in politics rĩmwe nĩ mũroraga.
Yes.
Mũgatuĩria atĩrĩ angorwo mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ nĩo mũcemanio ũraumĩrwo mũno rĩ.
Yes.
Mũgeterera maume mũkaiga ithugu. Immediately mauma mũgoka. Na inyuĩ mũgoka mũkarugĩra wĩra.
Akĩnyerie kũ.
Nĩ hĩndĩ mabangithia andũ raini.
Marabangwo kĩkĩ.
Gũkũ nĩ ngiri nyitanu.
Nĩtwambe tũtigane na kuga cioneke maharagane. Nĩkuo kũngĩ tũngĩthiĩ. Kũndũ tũngĩmagwa mbere.
Iciara na kanyua bora rĩ. Kũu ngiri nĩ gĩweraria.
Yethangia indo. Taria na methu wamenya kĩrĩa megwetha.
Ndĩreciria atĩrĩrĩ nĩ tũhiũka kabubua ka nyama.
Indo nĩ ciũke.
Kũu matiringĩte.
Nĩ tũthiĩ kũu korwo tũkũma nĩ mũndũ kĩa mau rĩ.
Ithuĩ mũno tũkũmera ti mbeca twarehe.
Tũkũmera ithuĩ matũmĩrĩrie ũguo tũtariĩ. Ithuĩ tũrenda gũbanga wĩra. Tondũ ithuĩ tũtinoka kũmaka. Ona tũkĩmana umera nĩ ngatho. Nĩ njia cumbĩ. Pere ya nothi. Ona gũtirĩ by-election yanaitwo mbeca gĩthemba kĩu.
Kũrĩa ngiri nĩ njite.
Yes. Gwĩciria ngiri ta ĩyo ĩrĩa gũitwo hĩndĩ ya haka wa Njikũ.
Kĩamba.
Hĩndĩ ya wa Njikũ and the other gentleman is called who?
Kũrĩa Juja.
No, not Juja. Kĩamba.
Kĩamba kũrĩ ka wa Njikũ na
I'm forgetting the name of this gentleman.
Kareri Jama.
Kareri. Yes. The good man. Yes. Aya wa Muthendeko ni fire say fire. Takupeleka mbio my friend. Nitakukimbiza.
Friday hwainĩ kiumia gĩkĩ rĩ.
Yes.
Nĩ tũgakorwo twamenya ũrĩa gĩgũikara.
Nĩ tũkamenya nĩ amakaina yes kidole za busa.
Na meke arĩa angĩ.
Mũtungatĩri wĩho kũrĩa Rondoreti. Agĩtugania araugire atĩrĩrĩ. Ekũgĩra ng'ondu kũrĩa
ciũrĩire.
Araugire gũtio na kamwe egũtiga kĩ?
Egũtiga na nja.
Ogania cianyo icio ciothe.
Arauga gwetha ng'ondu kũrĩa ciũrĩire.
Yes. Arathiĩte evangelizing harĩa hetagwo Timber XU. Yes.
Rĩu nĩ rĩenderio rĩa njohi.
Nĩ rĩenderio rĩa njohi.
Rĩ ngumo nene.
Yes. Ũrĩa Rondoreti. Na nĩ rĩtanagio na mũteti ũmwe wĩ gatũ.
Mũteti ng'ũ.
Yes. Tũtingĩhota gwĩkĩra mũkonde.
Atĩ nĩwe mwene kũndũ kũu.
Nyoni atanagio na kũndũ kũrĩkũ.
Na kũndũ kũu.
Yes. Rĩu Prince Michael wa Tenga rĩ. Nĩaragĩthiĩte kũu. It was quite tika ũndũ andũ manona.
That is rare than rare.
Very rare. Na tondũ kwanja raingĩrio o ũrĩa andũ maingĩra kĩrabu twandĩkaga maũndũ hau. Rauga pastor is here. Yes. Arakĩheana kiugo. Na aroya mũhothi. Na arathiĩ na areka altar call.
Na arebi hakũhotha nĩ ahothi.
Nĩ ahothi ona na hau nĩyo tũrarora mũno rĩrĩ. Ndakege kwa mũno nĩ kĩrĩa kĩrarutirwo. Aigua gũcenjia workstation.
Wambere ambe amenye kũrĩa arakorire ng'ondu icio rĩ.
Yes.
They are not in a state that is very
Neko theire hihi kiria marahuthira no kimerekererie mehia no ndiraigua ni marahothire wega
arebi kuhotha ndi ahothi
yes marauga battery tutagobathele geto na daga yote tunapea kila mtu 10,000 unatumiaka kitu padre kama hapana hiyo situmii nimekuja na neno Bwana anasema hakuna ambaye Mungu sio wa maana kwake
na review menya no mamugithia ati ona muru wa mundu ni athondekire nyamu iyo
yes sasa wewe ndio umechua vile unaelekea vile umekuja hapa Timba Exo uwe utuandikie fellowship inakuwa lini fellowship tuwe tunakuja
kiugo kimakore haria mari
yes I don't know the reaction of the entire church na utukane kuria lumeto ndika ni evangelist Nengore mutugatiri gofo there's a level of clergy wito SK to no SK new thia ginya ko yes
ukore andu kuria mari
ground piu ndika ni evangelizing yes ni kuri gikiro kiu wisia riu akire kiu akiatia
arakiuga riu etware kuria mari
yes
tondu matikuona mathaa ma guthi kanithari
yes
kanithe makuhiririe
na kenda akiegeke kende kiria maramuneire athie ku masande no keke eni kuja kwanza ni sande tutatengeneza rambi umefanya msuri tutaendaga kanisa siku mingi na umetuletea neno tumesikia tumekula tumeshiba sasa wewe kuchange tu
ndake heneke muno
tondi kusia mothio cio wina diocesan kuo tatondo na kio ihoero ini well, you see times have also changed.
Yes, and people have changed.
Tawala katika nidhanyi gemo jito cia kimerera cia hurago gita darama ono mothe kurio kanitha bado kwe resistance muno yake ya modern
way of doing things
kwaja mehoma wa gitari ni associate gona musukani Keke tiko wa gita cia irafu
uga gita cia irafu
mauga gita cia musukani
na dasi
yes so tina ka dasi but now the churches will invest a lot in praise and worship
yes and good equipment
yes of course Catholic doesn't have to go that extra mile because again theirs is a tradition rooted you know they have their liturgy yes
but somehow tuona kuno uthia ucenjetie ni wonaga maundu gwikwo maundu matekagwo tene
ito na keyboard ya mara the organs tisi cia tene
ni ona ndarama cia kisasa
modern day equipment ira mweka mutiga inua hiyo
utikinyete ha inua
so everyone worships their own way and my approaches are changing over time yes
agikoro riu ngondu cie kouri riu ni ukumakora ku mari
mutungatiri Mikaeli ri ni aragithie cio kundu ku by the way ekirete guo cia mutungatiri yes
arakungurwo muno
yes arakungurwo sana na maru amen mwabe mukira tuyo kiugo sokera no gota kujia ya batimayo kauneka ajereka sokera Musa keli kwirani Musa na mutugati ya confirm ni Musa yes Pilato sante Glory amara oda wega ayo si uraruta me na gutike ndukira kujiru uduci raturuta ati ya Christian sigai gocoka ukoja 50 Rwani ni kwa kia mwene ya kanitha ukojora 50 icio ni kutindagia mundu ha Wena jenga na karano.
Goshikojura na goshi straighten.
Mati ni wa names. Wero yo si muho. Acha matira kwa jamani ya sika mchungaji.
Na kuja tena.
Hadi yaki wa toika tare vi. No odo reka odo modu athoma. Yes. Otano yo nekire ko hure. Ndaigwa mutungateni aino kirie wege tuweku.
Mutungateri wa tengari.
Ni araino kirie getuweku. Yes.
Imara mwirire nawe tondu kenyuwe no ri.
Yes. Tondu kuna ri yo kiguragira karia. Ngirithano nenjaga mutungateri. Please. Tusiku turi kunywa tinkoma. When you give a no to a program. Turi okaga. Na hemo tukate ni that was largely controversial. Korea South Africa etago Habula Church. It was literally a club. Mase kijambo tukate aba ko igora kenuthu.
Usio nake ne kakara.
No, that was very controversial. It was Habula, I think Habula Church. They would drink. I old wakena kiria. Yes. Ona matea ariu inyuo. So we are not saying we get to that level, but evangelizing is unlimited.
Yes, and it is also changing.
It is also changing. It's on the Gabola, Habula Church. It's Gabola, but you pronounce it Habula. Thank you, Muthoni. South Africa. He is looking for the lost.
The lost sheep.
Naje so gire oka with a kill.
Yes. You know makole kule amali.
Yes.
Oh my goodie.
So pundits can argue here and there. But well,
now you know.
Now you are aware. Mara hodie, wacha tukuongeze, nimetoa kidogo kuja niongeze. Nimeona uchirana wangu ametoa mingi, wacha niongeze.
Like
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
na tumesija. Leure kegari yere.
Kegari.
Yes. Uliweta kegari. Nyarathite gucerera murato mwe wake. Wiriga kurirukiti. Ni undu wa kuria makoro kwa kindu wetagwo economic significance. Wako itura ria kwao ri guthondeka ciringi ri you see we kundu and I will not mention names ukora gatuka karia geku katire gakura gatura go uria yes
ni kuri kundu kuhana oguo
yes ndio
there are such places
yes
murata wa kigari akiona ku ndagatongera akihama
no ure kigari athia mukorari arona ni mundu thiete wega yes tondu ni ahetwo handu nja wa supermarket ni hwendagia nyamu cietagwo riri I usually don't get the intonation right popcorn cietagwo atia na Gikuyu
popcorns cietagwo ndore
yes that one iwara kora muthuri ucio ndore ri reke tuge ciake ni mucivi itiraroga
ari ni arendia wega
yes arakiuga atiri ona itura ria uria mutarukire ni agitie muno ri ndore ici cia kuma 10 guthi na iguru ri andu ni megwikinyiria ningiona that is a new opportunity tondu gutire mundu wendagia nyamu icio
gutire mundu uri wareheka undu takau kwao is a good idea agitwara kwao na akihota guthukuma
arakiuria muratawe eri kigarie roria muratawe nyamu ici ndi ona taingi coka rugongoni ici no nyone mbia nacio
na kundu kuria thiku ici ni kugite andu ni turatukana riu
turatukana ndi ona kwena nginya mera na githi na githu
must be an old timer
itho cieko Akimuria riu mutambo uyu wina guato ni wangeni yari ukinyagia mbeca cigana agwetero bei ya kamacini kiu hapo kona na ndie hariirio guoi no ngwiciria ile to ikiruike na njirengi amure utio ndotangiruona wina thubu
wina thuburia ni ugiciruga
fata ni umenye riu kuria kuruta nyore na ni cigiritio kana uria ukiohera andu na ki
na turatathi
twa pepa yes arakiuga hatiri undu ngi we no kunjira ku gukwirorero haha rucio ndikothike
mwiri
moko alera tuguta asikaruwa toni ndie machine ngumenya ati ni cia ndio sawa thiete wega muno wirona ndiani na thiku inya
oguo karuga ni kaheu
ni kaheu o kahana sinu iguku no turu aya wenda kujia tu haya ni uhoro munene
tare ngundi nume
ale na nacio ni irahora wega cingira kanua ici no mbembe kare kana gaikamba gatoga tumani
ari kuri mbembe cia ndore
mbembe cia ndore ri ciho yes araku riu kiria ngwikari wakire ni okwamba uhe stoko
ya kwanjia wira
ya kwanjia niwe nie ndikomagira ki
matu
one thitoko thie nganjie ki
nganjie na nenga ko hariboti
niwe ndacoka ndamenya mucingo watu niguo retan mutie muno tare hugura akiuma
akiuma supermarket
yes leo kigari ri kirakineo bagiti cigana ona ciake
cia bembe
cia popcorn ara twaro kwa muthenya urai kinya wa ugika kindu gitagwo riri launching
kuruguria
yes
duka njeru ya popcorn wakigarie
yes ona ni arigia na slogan wakigarie turu murio mutheri
ni manitane na Newton Karis
ni abete kariri kindu gitagwo teaser tura rimenya kwina ki
kwina undu mweru uroka
randu turu murio mutheri
no wakigarie
na muthenya ucio wa what the maiden day ni aretete riu andu riu customer go sample na kugura yes
na magicokia feedback maigue murio gwakigario hana atia
turu murio mutheri ayoka igari no gakie na machine
acha
rahagira rurinja utoria ronetio yes wikira mbembe na gukunika reke tuge kigari aria maramweteire njara the potential clients aria metito masample product ri
maiden clients
maroni acha mukaihenya aramera atiri sitirawa kigari eri turatathi tu mbembe icio cia ndore ri kamwe ri gabatie kurugwo na rurinja maita mana na rekeire turatathi tutatu arambia ona kibati kieo ya
kiu ni kirima
kira bado murio mutheri akiuma cirare murango-ini abakino maramura atiri nyamo ndonga igithuka kigari gikire ngonia
okuoya ngonia imwe theru
yes inde ihuragwo ni mama wa gwaku nekwe ngonia ihuragwo
ihuragwo
mekirari ego gwikira ndo icio ndwikindira
icio
marakora mena ngonia inya njega cia ndore itiragethie
o itirathie uria kigaria reciragia
araumeana akunia acoka nako uria thire nako
turu murio muthari
Tulu muri mutheri. Dore.
Na 10 na bauni.
Una wa Ngoni ni utairwo. Tulu muri mutheri. Alo ni rä kå rä a angä cikire u uteithio rä nä ihoero rä a mwathani arahoya rä rinda arerwo tondå indo icio cirä not bureau certified ndangä cienderia kå rå
ihoero
rä u arohithia andå hau nja nuona rä gakonia gacirio gaitagwo haha igå
gakå njå haha matå-inä
arera awaki nä weana o må ndå na ikonia rä ake kando. Tulu muri mutheri
no gwake garie.
Tulu muri mutheri macikarĩtie mena mũkwana gũthiĩ kĩndũ maranyua na cai
nĩ ũrĩa mena nyingĩ kĩgarie.
Yes, ena dead stock.
Atakumenya ũrĩa areka gwĩka nayo.
Ekĩrie horror.
Ngoni ya inya.
Tuli muri okay.
Muri o mutheri.
Akĩgarie. Nĩ arekeirie mũkonde itũra rĩu rĩtikarahũka kĩ-economy.
He agrees with the naysayer.
Yes.
They are economically doomed.
Araugire kũndũ kũu nĩ kwahandirwo kĩ? Aĩko idea njerũ ũguo andũ matikũiyũkia.
Na nĩ ya kĩndũ gĩa kũrĩa.
Augire kũndũ kũu gwĩ thakame njũru.
Nĩ ndĩtikio ũrĩa kwĩragwo kũndũ gũkũ.
Mũrogi ũrĩa watũrogire nĩ arĩhĩtwo goro. Ndĩna ndore mweri wake wa kerĩ. Ndore ciake no athĩtwo nĩ ciakibirĩthĩte rũkũngũ.
Kũu nĩkuo marabatara economic empowerment.
Yes.